we're to show you one of the most unique features of miingl, which is our click to cluster technology, which allows our participant to have a conversation with somebody within there. So if I come in here, I can see the two people are in a cluster right now. There's the three of us that are sitting here, and I see my buddy John Patch right there. And I'm like, hey, I want to talk to him. So I'm going to hover over him, and I'm going to see that click to cluster button. So I'm going to click that. He's going to get an invite from me, and he's going to accept it. And then you can see that we're now in a private conversation. Hey, Patch. And then if I wanted to, I could actually pull somebody else in, so I can hover over them and hit click to cluster, and it'll actually invite them to join. When they accept, they'll be pulled into here if he accepts. There you go. Hey, Clayton. So that's how you get more people into clusters. Now we're going to leave clusters, and I'm going to have Patch go ahead and cluster with me so that you can see how it looks from the receiving end. Now you can see I'm getting an acceptance, accept or reject. I'm going to accept. Now I am in a cluster with Patch. Hello again. Then, lastly, the other cluster you can join is I can see that these guys are clustered down here, and I want to talk to my friends here. So I'm going to hit join cluster to see one in session. I'm going to hit join cluster again. They're going to get a call, and they got to either accept or reject. Hey guys, now I'm in a cluster with my good friends. Hey guys, thanks for letting me into your cluster. And that's how we create individual clusters within the miingl application. All right, I'll see you guys back out on the main